Leonardo has unveiled the latest variant of its BrightCloud missile decoy family, the BrightCloud 55T, which is the first expendable decoy for the protection of military transport aircraft. BrightCloud 55T is capable of protecting large military transport aircraft, such as Leonardo's C-27J, and third-party aircraft, including the C-130, KC-390, and A-400M, from modern radar-guided missiles. The decoy will join the company's existing BrightCloud 55 for fighter jets, such as the Tornado, Typhoon and Gripen, equipped with 55mm compatible dispensers, as well as BrightCloud 218 aircraft such as F-15 and F-16, featuring square-format dispensers. Designed specifically to protect fighter jets, Leonardo's original BrightCloud 55 countermeasure uses a miniaturized radio frequency RF jamming module to trick incoming radar-guided missiles into missing their intended target. It is currently deployed with the UK Royal Air Force RAF on board its fleet of Tornado GR4 multi-role combat aircraft. The BrightCloud 55T variant generates a more powerful ghost radar signature, drawing advanced radar-guided threats away from military aircraft. It has been developed primarily for larger aircraft that need a more powerful decoy to mask the larger radar return that they generate. The latest variant is capable of easily fitting into a jet's standard 55mm chaff and flare dispenser, or can be fitted to a square-format dispenser using an adapter magazine with no additional integration work required. Leonardo's BrightCloud decoy has been designed and manufactured in Luton, UK, and is readily exportable, with the 55 and 218 variants compatible with the majority of combat aircraft.